Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Meeting Mel 400 AGL. We'll have that coming right up. On Thursday evening, Valerie and I had the absolute pleasure of being able to meet Mel 400 AGL. We ended up meeting him at his truck at a truck stop just north of us, and his truck is called the Flying Eagle Hilton. Now, if you haven't seen, Ken Heron did a video on that. So I highly recommend, I'm going to put a link in the description, highly recommend you check that out. It is a truck like you have never seen before. It is absolutely fantastic. He took us on a tour. We got to see inside there. Got to see all of Mel's drones. His Inspire 1 and his Mavic Pro Platinum are back, repaired, and good to go. Looking fantastic. He got to share with us also his Spark, and he just recently bought a used Phantom 4 Pro as well too. Which is just incredible, the amount of drones that he has and the batteries that go with them. He also showed us his 3D printer, which is absolutely fantastic. And he told us that he basically taught himself the CAD CAM part of it as far as being able to design items on the computer, which is absolutely fantastic. He's built clips for the ends of his batteries. He's built clips to be able to hang on to landing gear on the Spark to add strobe lights onto that. Same thing with the Inspire. He's also built an iPad holder with that as well too. He's also designed and sent to Kelly from Ready Set Drone three-dimensional Ready Set Drone sign. Absolutely fantastic what you can do with this printer. And I've never seen one before. It was absolutely totally. We were just blown away by it. Mel also had built his own personal computer up from the ground from scratch. And it's amazing. You've never seen a truck like this before. It is just absolutely fantastic. And the room that's in there is just great. It was a real treat to be able to go in there to see all of this. We ended up taking Mel out to dinner, and we were going to treat, but we quickly lost that battle. I tried. I made a valiant effort, but Mel graciously paid for our dinner that night. We went to a place called Portillo's, and if you haven't tried one of them, you need to try one. We have a couple in the area down here. They started out over in the Chicago area. They're absolutely fantastic. We spent the better part of 2+ hours just, you know, exchanging conversation. And one of the things I ended up doing a lot of that night was I was doing a lot of listening, which was fantastic. Mel shared with us about his job as a truck driver. He delivers medical equipment for General Electric all across the country. He's been to all the states, and he logs a lot of miles and a lot of hours on the road. And he also got to share with us about his life and some of the adventures he's had in his life. And he is what my parents used to refer to as good folk. And that's one of the things that Valerie and I ended up that evening taking away from that was Mel's good folk. He's someone, he's down to earth, he's real, he's genuine. You can't help but like him. You know, I wish there were more people like Mel in the world. He's a great guy to be around. We were going to go back and fly where his truck was. His truck was parked at a truck stop. But unfortunately, it was right next to a small airport. And actually, you could actually see the planes in the landing pattern were coming over, and they were probably less than 400 feet up in the air. So flying was not an option. And for all of you out there, I highly encourage you, if you haven't subscribed to Mel's channel, it's 400 AGL. Please do so. He has some great videos out there. He shoots fantastic footage. So I definitely encourage you to check that out. I mean, everywhere he goes, it seems that he gets some great footage, and he sent me some great footage as well too. So you definitely want to subscribe, check his channel out. He does have contests. He's giving away cases. He's giving away a lot of items. So I definitely encourage you to check his channel out. And like I said, he's really a great guy. Valerie and I just absolutely enjoyed our time with him. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about our channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, check out my Twitter account, where I post daily updates there, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying!